Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Argha here. My YouTube channel is Green Thing. My channel is basically dealing with the different types of environmental pollution problems and how we will able to solve that problems. And in that channel, you people will able to see the different aspects of engineering techniques or different aspects of cutting edge technologies we can adopt for fixing up the different environmental challenges. So let's start my first lecture. And before starting, I want to remind all of you that if you will ever like my YouTube channel and YouTube video and the subsequent lecture which will come up the next sessions, then please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon here. So let's start. First of all, the in the very basic, first of all, you need to understand what is environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is the status of the environmental pollutant when the pollutant level is increased at a certain permissible exposure limit. That means the presence of that particular pollutant can hamper the environmental receptors in different means. Okay, so environment has its different component. Number one, that is water, and number two, that is air, and number three, that is the earth, that is solid. So if I will focus on one by one component, that is the air first, that is the atmospheric, then the water, that is the related to different surface and the groundwater, then the earth, that means our soil, basically, and our surroundings. Basically, our environment is polluted by different means. Number one is natural means and number two is anthropogenic means. Anthropogenic means the man-made. Okay, so if I will focus in one by one different component of environment, that means water. How water sources are polluted, how atmosphere is getting polluted, how our solids or our environment is getting polluted by different solid waste. So in a broad sense, I can divide it, the environmental pollution, in air pollution, noise pollution, that is also a part of the atmospheric pollution, then water pollution, then wastewater pollution, then solid waste pollution, hazardous waste pollution, and electronics waste pollution, that is also part of the hazardous waste, but this is also a great concern nowadays. And another important part of the solid waste pollution is the biomedical waste also, but in a broad sense we can say it's the solid waste pollution. Now being an responsible citizen, all of we should know how should we handle our environment for our effective survival. That means, what do you mean by the effective survival? That means if we will able to handle our environment properly, then we will able to survive in this environment with highest level of hygiene and very effective manner. So in my next videos I will discuss this will be the very brief discussion of different types of environmental component like air pollution, how air pollution occurs, how we will able to fix that air pollution, and nowadays uh, the different types of air pollution mitigation practices which already has adopted by different countries, okay, different air quality standards. And here in our country, that is in India, what are the state level and the central level guidelines, or the central level practicing guidelines to handle that air pollution. All this we'll discuss in my next video. Then after that we'll go to focus on the noise pollution, then what are the primary sources of noise pollution, how the noise pollution we can fix, and what are the basic problems when the noise level exceeded the allowable limits which is given by the Central Pollution Control Board and the World Health Organization for different types of exposure, for different types of environmental receptors. And the next video, the next video, that is I am talking about my fourth video from now, I will discuss on the water pollution, then what are the basic sources of water pollution, that is the groundwater pollution and surface water pollution, and the different components of the water pollution, how we will able to fix that water pollution, what are the different types of engineering technologies already practicing in India and the overseas to fixing up the different components of water pollution. And then the wastewater pollution, then we'll discuss about the solid waste pollution and hazardous waste pollution and electronics waste pollution. All this we will discuss in my channel, and basically I will able to share the different types of engineering practices already misconducted in India for fixing up different pollution. I will try to share the videos if I will able to collect, and if I will able to do by myself and by my friends and all the research colleagues. So basically, be patient with us, be patient on me and my work, stay tuned with me, and we'll meet on my next video. Thank you.